A Fox Carolina First Alert Weather Day update.
Morning, everyone. It's a First Alert weather morning. We have the rain coming on through, pretty heavy at times here. So we're going to go through radar and go through zooming on in each little area to give you a better perspective of what's happening out there. Spartanburg, you're seeing probably some of the lighter of the rain, but down towards areas moving into Taylor's, Greenville, easily Pickens. This is where we're picking up a decent amount of some moderate showers. That's still within the green, which is technically light, but we're getting closer to those yellows and darker greens. So decent amount coming through from Salem towards Pickens down to Norris, into Clemson, Williamston, and then this is where we start to see the lighter rain on the outskirts of Anderson, Due West, Princeton, Lawrence, Cross Anchor, and Surratt. Moving towards the mountains where we see the heaviest, Franklin towards Shooting Creek, Andrews, Chiowa, down towards areas into Cashers, Brevard, Waynesville, Crabtree, Beaver Dam. So expect ponding on the roadways. It can be a little bit of a mess out there. Certainly saw that on Pelham this morning. Just be extra careful. Probably want to leave early. This is going to be best. It's just due to that remnant low that we're seeing just bring in rounds of rain throughout the morning. We're still going to continue to see a decent amount to move on through. Heaviest throughout the morning time. Even mid to late morning, we continue to see it look widespread out there. Moderate downpours coming in from Greenville towards Hendersonville, Asheville, starting to potentially lighten up a little bit by mid to late morning, and then seeing more dry air filter on in. So starting this coverage to just loosen up for us a little bit by noon into the afternoon and evening. Still have a good chance of seeing some rain here and there, so you want that umbrella not just the morning but throughout the afternoon and evening. Keep it handy close by, because Greenville over 85, still seeing a decent amount of rain to come on through 2-3 o'clock when kids are headed home from school. Circling, continuing good chances still from Greenville north into the mountains up until about 9-10 o'clock. That's when we really start to see better chances of dry air to move on through, and then looking much better, but still isolated shower chances continuing even Wednesday. Potentially Thursday and Friday. Not taking this out of the forecast for you, but this morning throughout early afternoon, certainly going to be the worst of it. So continuing to see a nice drop of rain chances and then a rise of temperatures back to the 80s into tomorrow, the next couple of days after that, because we're looking much drier out there. We start to get more sunshine into play. Today is going to be wet, though. It's going to be cloudy. It's going to be mild, and the breeze is starting to die down, which is good news for us. Yesterday was more focused on the breeze, than today is more focused on the rain. So this is why we're saying probably even want the rain boots today with the umbrella. Starting to warm up for us by midweek, even the mountains going from the 60s today, upper 60s to the mid to upper 70s, and looking brighter as we go through into the weekend. Margaret Ann.